Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right lens and exposure so focus changes will be predictable. Set aperture to control depth of field. Wider apertures give shallower focus. Smaller apertures increase sharp area. Once set, select single point AF or flip to manual focus if you need precise control. Use live view or focus peaking to magnify the area you want sharp. Make an initial frame and lock composition, then gently adjust focus ring or AF point until the subject's most important detail. Now you execute the change by deciding whether to recompose or change focus distance. Small movements can shift perceived focus quickly. If you need everything sharp, shoot a focus stack. Take several shots focusing at different distances, front to back. For selective focus, use a wide aperture and focus peaking in live view to nail the subject. Make incremental adjustments and recheck the magnified preview after each tweak. Once done, bracket a couple of frames to ensure one has the perfect focus you intended. Finish by importing your best frames and either focus stack them or apply selective sharpening and masking to emphasize the intended subject. Use a depth map or lens blur tools to simulate a shallower or deeper focus if needed. Make sure to check contrast and fine detail at 100%. Sharpening can recover perceived focus subtly. If images turn out soft, check lens calibration, bump shutter speed to avoid motion blur, or redo the shot using live view and magnification. This usually fixes persistent focus errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.